What's up, guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we have a request from Nami, and Nami says the following. This video is from KO WOORIM Fanmeeting, and it's called Home. So this is a fan cam by Estrelas. Thank you so much, Estrelas. Let's check this one out, and let's pull up. Let's do a big video for WOORIM. Let's welcome home. Oh wait, he's singing a song called Home. So that's kind of like his welcome home song. Let's go. We missed WOORIM. I know this song. This is such a fitting song for WOORIM coming home. We missed WOORIM. I'm glad he's home. It's a great song. This song is from early 2000s. Amazing song. And he's got an amazing voice for this too. Welcome home, WOORIM. I love this man's voice. We missed him. It was like, what? A year and a half without WOORIM? And I'm glad he's home now. Can't wait to see him with Forestella reunited. Singing on stage. Man, I'm happy to see WOORIM. Nice. I absolutely love this. There isn't a better song for WOORIM to sing. Honestly, this is the song that he definitely had to sing. I don't think there's any other song that kind of encapsulates what we wanted to happen. WOORIM coming home. It's a perfect song to pick. Man, yeah, we really missed him. And I'm surprised at how many songs that WOORIM, not only WOORIM, but the whole of Forestella, how many songs they choose that are very nostalgic to me. I guess it's because we're basically the same age, so we grew up listening to the same music, and I think that's what plays a huge role in them singing the same songs. Like the other song, the other day they were singing Westlife, which is, I had a CD from Westlife. This song also, it's a song that I used to listen to. I think it was part of a soundtrack of a series or something. Don't know if it was One Tree Hill. Don't know if it was something else, but it used to be part of a soundtrack. In any case, it's pretty cool. It's a nice song, and I think he chose the correct song to come back with. And we're glad he's home. Welcome home, Woorим. Thank you, Strela, for posting this fan cam. Thank you so much, Nami, for requesting this video. And guys, join me on Twitch. We need more Koreans in the chat. I'm live every single day. We need more Forestella fans as well. And come join us. Come hang out with us. And if you want to request a video like Nami did, go over to Buy Me a Coffee. Look over here for my Forestella playlist. Take care. Bye-bye.